Hello everyone, well today I'm on location in a house that's a lot tidier than mine in order to do a full house clean with the Dyson V11. So basically I'm going to clean this 3-bedroomed semi-detached house from top to bottom, hopefully on one single charge. So I'm going to clean all the bedrooms, the stairs, some upholstery, the sofa and chair in this living room, the kitchen floor, the bathroom floor and the cloakroom floor. Obviously I'll be editing the video because I'm not going to do it in real time, but I will be showing you how much time is left on the battery when I've finished cleaning. I'll also show you how much dirt I've managed to pick up from the carpets and upholstery. Everywhere looks pretty clean, there's no real visible dirt down, so it'll be interesting to see how well the Dyson V11 performs. Before I start the cleaning, it's fully charged. I'm going to see how much battery life the display says that we have to play with. Throughout the course of the video, I'm going to use the Dyson V11 on its auto setting when using the torque head and on its medium setting when using all the other tools. When I'm using the mini motorized tool and any of the straight suction tools that I might use. So I'm not going to use it on boost and I'm not going to use it on eco. So let's have a look how much power we have. So on the medium setting, medium/automatic, it says we should have 41 minutes 40 seconds of runtime. If I was to go to the eco setting, it will give me a longer runtime, but of course at reduced cleaning performance. Let's just squeeze the trigger and see how much time the display says we have. If I was to run this on eco, it should show me. I might have to squeeze the trigger a bit longer. Well, according to this, it's 76 minutes 59 seconds on eco, but that's probably just using straight suction. I've no motorized head attached. So we'll have a look anyway on boost mode with no motorized head attached. It's not going to show me. I'm going to squeeze the trigger again. Well, that's just 9 minutes 39 seconds, so that's not going to give me much cleaning time. So as I said, I'm going to switch to medium, so it will be in the default setting of medium for everything apart from when I'm using the high torque head, because as soon as you attach the high torque head it goes into auto mode, so the machine will adjust itself according to the surface I'm cleaning. Okay, so the Dyson V11 is empty and clean. Let's get cleaning this 3-bedroomed house and we'll see how well this machine does. Okay, well, that's the whole house cleaned. Now, I have to admit to running out of charge right towards the end of my cleaning. Before I vacuumed the rug I'm kneeling on, the battery conked out, so I had to plug it in for 20 minutes to finish the rug. Now, I have been using this a lot during the video. Obviously, the footage you see is not all the footage, so I did give a thorough clean. I cleaned the sofa and also the sofa in the kitchen here, the stairs, everywhere else, the carpets. So it's had a thorough workout today. And if we can see, this is what we've picked up. So I'm going to empty this out. Seems to be pretty full, more or less up to the max fill line, so it does need emptying. Okay, it's time to empty the Dyson now. Let's see if I can keep it all on this piece of paper. Well, almost. Give it a bit of a shake. Right, well, let's have a closer look at all this dirt. Well, as you can see, there's quite a lot of fibrous material. There's dogs in this house, so there'll be dog hair mixed in with this. Some of this will be carpet fibres as well. So there's quite a lot here. If we move the fibrous material to one side, we can see quite a lot. Hear that scratchy noise? That is gritty particles. So this isn't bad considering all the carpets looked clean. I didn't put any extra dirt down. Everything looked clean. I did the whole house on the automatic setting, or medium when automatic wasn't an option. So I used the high torque head for most of it, apart from when I did the kitchen floor and changed to the fluffy head. So as you can see, a pretty impressive result for a cordless cleaner. So all in all, for my first full house clean using this Dyson V11, I'm pretty impressed with it. It did need an additional charge though during the course of making this video, but if I was to use this machine normally, I wasn't having to move my camera and lights all around the house. It probably would have lasted if I was just concentrating on the cleaning, but obviously for the video I had to do lots of different shots and I had to repeat some of the shots, so it wasn't really a typical example. I think in normal use this would last more than enough time to do the whole house, the stairs and most of the upholstery before I needed to charge it up. Before I go, I'm just going to check the filter for the first time. I have been using this, I've had this cleaner for a couple of weeks now, and obviously I've been using it on a day-to-day basis in my own home and just emptying it every time. So I'll just have a look so far at the filter. It is starting just to get dirty on the outside. The pleated part of the filter, the exhaust part, this pleated part here, that's still pretty clean, but you can see some visible dirt just starting to appear on the outside of the filter. The inside though is still pretty clean. Of course the filter is washable. If you need to replace the filter though, if it becomes damaged or after many washings it's not filtering as effectively as it should, this will cost you, at the time of making the video, £50 from Dyson's website. £50 for a new filter. So take care of your filters, wash them as recommended by Dyson, and hopefully it should last a good few years. I hope you've enjoyed this full house clean using my Dyson V11. If you have any comments or questions about this cleaner, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video coming up very soon. Bye for now.